Show you how to make a halter out of a rubber band. So you get your horse and put the rubber band around its nose and then twist it, put it under, and then get it around its ears. And it should look like this. Like that. And if you want to make a lead rope, if you have like these chains like this in your house, good. So I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. Pick up the under bit. Let me just try to get it in. Right, so I've got it, and you're going to take the chain and like put a large amount under the halter, and then just twist it under. There you go, you have a halter. Make sure fat doesn't show, so there we like. It's gonna be fine like this, but you've done your halter, you've done great.